What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add PayPal payment method to your own Shopify store. Now this is an easy tutorial, guys. All you have to do, you want to just log in into your Shopify store. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to log in and then I'm going to show you guys how you can add PayPal as a payment method so that the customers will be able, guys, to pay using PayPal on your Shopify store. Now you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on store details and make sure here you select the correct country. Okay, you want to select, for example, your country. If you live in the United States, you can select here United States. If you live in Europe, you want to select a country in Europe. That's it. And then the store name, you should have the store name and the store phone number, the email. Make sure everything here is correct. The time zone, make sure it's correct. And then after that, guys, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on payments. Okay, and here depends on your country. Everyone has different thing here. For example, for me, I see here the PayPal and it says the transaction fees 0%. Now I just click on activate PayPal and then that's it. And then click again on activate in the top right. It will take me directly, guys, to my PayPal, and then I can then enter the information, and then the PayPal is going to be active on my Shopify. Now for most people, the PayPal option is not going to appear here, so you need to select here, choose a provider and see if you can find your PayPal. So for example, search for PayPal here and see if you can find here PayPal. Okay, so like I said, like PayPal isn't like, not everyone will have the PayPal option here. Okay, now like I said, here you want to click on add payment method. In there, if you can see here, guys, PayPal, if you can see, as you can see, it says supported payment methods. Payment methods are available with one of the Shopify's approved payment providers. So these payments methods, they are approved by the payment providers. They are approved by Shopify, but the payment providers, like the third-party payment providers, they are not approved by Shopify. For example, Stripe, Cyber Source, or whatever they call it, they are not approved by they are third. That's why they are called third-party payment providers. Okay, now you just need to go with the supported payment methods, which for me, PayPal, I can see here PayPal. But if you can see it here, if you can see another payment method, for example, Stripe or Shopify payments, you want to click on add payment method and here search for PayPal if you can find it here. I'm sorry, I'm going to go back. I'm going to click on settings and payments. Okay, I'm going to click on add payment method. I'm going to search, for example, on PayPal. If I can't see PayPal there, I'm going to search for PayPal. And if you can see here by payment method, you want to search by provider and then find PayPal and see if you can find it there. Okay, so if you can find it, that's good. If you can't, then you need to add a different payment provider that you can use, for example, Stripe, and you will receive payments through PayPal and then you can take money from Stripe and then withdraw them to your own bank account or PayPal. Okay, so like I said, that's exactly how you can enable PayPal payment methods on Shopify. Hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you can see here activate, click on activate and enter your PayPal email address and password, and then you will see here PayPal is activated. When you come back to this page, you will find here PayPal is activated. That's exactly, guys, what you need. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Drop a like and see you guys in the next video.